Hello, I'm Michael Metten, Managing Partner at Metten Stein Design. For over 75 years, our company has been dedicated to researching and developing extraordinary concrete pavers. This passion for innovation led us to forge a partnership with Unilock in North America. Our companies are working together to push the boundaries of what's possible with concrete. For centuries, the recipe for concrete has been made up of cement, water, sand and gravel. But in recent years, we have questioned this traditional approach. With EcoTerra technology, we have replaced the cement in the top layer of our pavers with a new mineral binder agent that results in a reduction in CO2 emission by up to 15%. It's a game changer in sustainable paving solutions. While there remains more to be done, we are excited to lead the way towards a greener, more sustainable future with EcoTerra.